Right, good morning everyone. Now I've got some colours here. This is the Cosmic Shimmer. This is Antique Rose. And then the Adirondack Colour Wash Meadow. Now, I've also got some muslin, you might call it. Or, I can't remember what we used to call it. But anyway, it's very thin. It's like, you see, you can see that. That's double as well. It's like a gauze that you can buy in fairly big quantities actually, but it's for obviously when people have accidents you can use it for that or whatever, but we use it in crafting. So what I've done is I've got some white and some cream, and I've cut some pieces here. Actually, I might as well just leave them there. So I've got some strips, and I thought I'll do the cream one first because I love to play, as you know. Now these are single like that, and I'm just going to put some colour on them. I mean, they're random. I just cut them and then just randomly put them to, you see, like that. You can split them, do all sorts, make holes with them, whatever you want to do with them. Destroy them basically. See, it's just like that, but because I'm going to do a particular project with them, again it's another trim, but it's a one that you can really get dirty and play with. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with this one. This might spray. Some of them don't spray, you see, because I've had them that long, and I rarely use them. So I just do that, and then see, I might need to use a brush with this one. Again, I've got another colour wash here with some red. Just to put an extra colour. That's it. Now, all I need now is a cloth of some sort, just to take the worst off. Okay, that's got the worst off. And now we just dry it. Okay, just drop that down there in a minute. So we're just going to take the first one. See, it's like that. And then what we're going to do, I'm just going to roll it when I'm getting covered in yucky glue and ink. I'm going to roll it like that. You can twist it as well. Actually, I'm going to unroll that and go back. Put a little bit of glue here and there. Like I say, I'm going to twist that around. Like that. And then just flip that underneath. Just pop it underneath like that. Anything sticking out, do the same. And you see you've got like a vintage rose in the colours. I'm going to get blathered in it, but hey ho. I just cut a piece off. I'll show you what I did. And you just put those over there because not quite dry. Untwist it. And it comes out in 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then when you've done a bunch, you can put them together. You take a comb and you can do that with it. And that's another way you can make tassels as well. Just now I'm going to cut this in half because it's too big. So we've got that and that. And I'm going to brush this because it's going to lengthen this. Oops. Like that. We're going to tidy it up a little bit, although we're going to have it shabby. And then you take so much. It depends how much you want. And then what I need is some string, a needle. Do a needle and thread one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to wrap this around. So make sure you've left a little tail. Do that. Poke that through. So that's your first piece. I can trim these either side then to match. I'll pull them through slightly. And I'll pull them through like that. Right, so you've got your little tail because you're going to need that afterwards. Then what you can do is, oh sorry, I need a tape. So I've got my tape here. This is some seam binding. Just cut that. And you just glue that on. There. Go across the flower you've just made. So you can do that. Again, wrap that round. Thread it through. Cut that. And then we're going to put that on there. Don't worry about this, you can colour that anytime. See, like that. It's just a different way to make a different tassel. So again, we're going to cut this one, strip this one. Take my needle and thread. Hold a little bit in your hand. Just enough. Snip both of those. Oh sorry, glue your flower on. Jut it up to each other like that. And depending on what kind of a project you're doing, depends what you do with these. We've not finished yet. Just going to do this one. Now, if you're doing, you know, like Halloween and things like that, you could do these in black and whites and, you know, any colour really. Oops, there's it. Pull that back a bit. That's it. Oh, we'll just do another one of these. Just move that out of the way. Now that's not quite as big, but neither is that end one. So I'm going to do another one here. I mean, I'm just showing you how to do them, so. But you can do this with anything. You don't have to colour fabric. You can just do it anyway. Let's see. Like that. And we put the other one on. Like that. Jut that up. And then do that. And again, it's a different way of doing. It's a different way of doing the trims. But you can also, like, you don't need to colour the back of that. But if that went on a tag, I need one more to go on the end to make it even. If you know what I'm like. But you know, you don't. I've done mine dark because I don't know where I want to put mine. But if you did them in pastel colours, you don't have to. You can just use fabric. You don't have to use inks. You know, so at the end of the day, it's whatever you want. Okay, let's see this. That's it. And I'm just going to use that as the last lot. There we go. You know, it's as easy as that. Let me just pull some of these fibres through. That's it. And like I say, once you've got them done, you can do whatever you want with them. So I can leave it shabby like that. I can add, let me get another one, a different one. See, there's mine's a dark one. You can colour these, that's nothing. And I'm just going to add some black roses. Like I say, we do have these roses, and I'm going to put them there actually. We have these roses in different colours. I'm just going to do them like that. And straight away, you can't buy that in the shop. There's nobody selling this. You know, you've got to Think of things for yourself and make things for yourself. And that's a really nice trim. I can still go further by taking hold of some of these pearls and bling it up a little bit more. I'm going to glue mine on even though they're sticky. See the difference? Play. Best thing about crafting. And you can have them as rough looking as you want or as smooth looking as you want. Like you could trim all of that down. But I'm okay with that. Probably just the odd thing I'd cut a little bit of. I'm fine with that. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.